Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making smash burger with cheese. I'm going to serve it with a really delicious and crunchy coleslaw. For those who don't know, Smash Burger is also a restaurant in USA. Now what is Smash Burger? Instead of making burger patties, you make a huge meatball and you put it onto your skillet and you press it down with the help of a spatula or a heavy object. It forms a really nice sear on the meat and gives a really nice flavor. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with our spice mix. Black pepper, garlic powder, a slight touch of cayenne pepper, salt. And that's it really, just give this a really good mix. And remove this onto this little ball. So here we have a simple seasoning. Beef have lots of its own flavor, so we don't really need to use a lot of seasoning. Here I've got the beef mince. This is 15% of fat and 85% of this is lean beef. Now fat really helps with the flavor. It also helps your burger stick together. Okay, so grab that. I'll grab some of that beef mince. Now you could make a quarter pounder or half pounder. I'm gonna make quarter pounder, which is roughly around 110 grams. So you just wanna start placing those here. Now a kilo of beef mince will give you around 10 of these smashed burgers, which is roughly around 100 grams of each smashed burger. Now the shape of this doesn't have to be perfect. This is just to give you an idea how much mince you need. Alright, so that's perfect. Season them properly from one side. Turn the heat to medium high. Get the pan nice and hot. Alright, let's start cooking our smash burger. So ideally you want an iron skillet pan, just like that one. Add in your patties, season side down. Generously season from other side. Grab your grease-proof paper and smash. Alright, that looks great. We're gonna let this cook for around 2 minutes and we're gonna flip them over. Alright, you want to flip them over now. So scrape them off. Yeah. And look at that beauty. Amazing. Once you have flipped them, add in your cheese. Just let them cook for around 20 seconds more. Just cover them slightly so the cheese melts. I've got beautiful brioche buns. I'm just gonna slightly toast them. Now it's best if you toast them before cooking your burgers, because the burgers, they take literally no time to cook. It would be good if you toast them using some butter. Alright, so that looks fantastic. Just remove them. Alright, let's check this. So the cheese is beautifully melted. Just want to grab this one, just scrape that off and add it on this one, yeah? Alright, now let's plate up our burger. Alright, grab your toasted bun. I like a touch of Tabasco. You could use mayonnaise or ketchup, it's up to you. Spread that around. Add some of these pickled gherkins on there. Some of the onions if you like. Add in your smashed burger, just like so, and top off the bun. Look at that beauty. Doesn't that look amazing? Beautiful. Serving our smashed burgers with some of these pickled gherkins. Now you can serve this with some pickled gherkins and our delicious coleslaw. Let's make a triple smash burger. So season side down. Grab your parchment paper on the top and smash that burger. Make sure it's touching the skillet. You want to cook this for around 2 minutes, like I said before. Now make sure to season as well generously from this side. Let's give this a flip. Scrape that off. Look at that beautiful meat. Nice and juicy. Now it's time to add your beautiful cheese on there. Let's go with 3 slices of cheese. Now cook this for 20 seconds and just cover it so the cheese melts. Alright, let's check this. So the cheese is nicely melted. We just want to stack all these together, alright? So carefully just stack them on top of each other. And look at that beauty. You just want to grab this. Our delicious smash burger goes on the top and cover this. Look at that beauty. For the coleslaw, grab a bowl, in with thinly sliced white cabbage, thinly sliced carrot as well. Once I've sliced it, I've removed excess moisture by pressing ahead. In with your onions, mayonnaise. You could also use a bit of the double cream and sour cream if you like. Sugar adds a bit of sweetness. Black pepper, white pepper, and a good touch of salt. A light touch of parsley. Or you want to give this a really good mix. Bring everything together. So that's looking great, nice and creamy. I really like the smell of this, you know. Have a look at this. You can serve this with wings, burgers, anything really. Chill in the fridge. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this, serving it with a bit of coleslaw and pickles. It looks amazing. Bismillah. Oh man, that is so delicious, perfectly seared. Smash burger is so nice and juicy, along with that cheese. Let's try that coleslaw as well. Bismillah. So creamy, very delicious. I'm having some pina colada as well. Cheers. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.